Writing effective XPath expressions is an important skill for any developer, whether you're working on XSLT style sheets, developing web services, or creating mobile apps in Mobile Together. XMLSpy lets you develop your XPath expressions interactively with some innovative tools that save both time and frustration. Let's see how this works by walking through a basic example using XPath 3.1. Though, as you can see, earlier versions are also supported, along with XQuery and even XQuery Update Facility. The XPath XQuery window has two modes, Builder and Evaluator, and we'll switch over to Builder mode to work on our expression. Right away, you can see some of the tools that are available to us, including complete lists of operators and functions for point-and-click expression building. I really like to use the mouse over descriptions to make sure that I'm selecting the right function. Okay, let's get started. Our XML file contains a list of customers along with their names and addresses. For this quick example, we want to select the customers located in California and return their first and last names. To start, I need a for operator, which I can insert by simply double-clicking it from the list. As you can see, XMLSpy indicates variables with a # placeholder, and I can move through them easily using the tab key, which really saves a lot of time. Then, as I type, XMLSpy offers valid path choices that are really easy to select as I work. Okay, so we're going to iterate over the customer element and then return the first and last names concatenated with a space. So we need to find the concat function, which of course is under string, and insert it by double-clicking. XMLSpy inserts the function again with variable placeholders, and it gives me a pop-up with implementation info. And this is really useful, especially when working with new functions such as the maps and arrays added in XPath 3.1. To complete the concat function, we can go ahead and add the first name, a space, and the last name. Okay, let's take a moment to evaluate the progress of our expression by clicking over to Evaluator mode. I can see that we have correctly returned the first and last name of each customer. However, we said earlier that we only wanted customers in California. So let's work on our expression a little bit more. First, we can copy our expression to a new tab. This way we can preserve the current expression and compare the results returned by any changes that we make. Okay, so I know that I need a contains test, and this time let's insert it by selecting it from the pop-up list. So we want the customer elements where the state child element of address is CA. I have a red line indicating a syntax error somewhere. Oh, I see. I have a missing closing bracket. There we go. Okay, great. So now only customers in California are selected, and our previous expression and results are preserved as well. This is especially helpful when you're working on more complex statements, because you can develop multiple expressions side by side and then incrementally make changes to each, preserving both the expression and the results on separate tabs. You can also opt to evaluate your expressions in the current file, which is what we're doing, or evaluate them over all open files, a certain folder, or an entire project. This is very helpful for making sure that you test your expressions completely before deployment. So now that we're done with our quick example, you can download a free trial of XMLSpy to try this out for yourself. Or if you need some more pointers, please check out our Gentle Introduction to XPath or our free online XPath training course. I'll put some links in the description below. Thanks for watching.